Welcome back to the Automobiles channel, where today we're diving deep into the sleek and sophisticated 2025 Lexus ES, focusing solely on its exterior design and features. This iconic sedan from Lexus has garnered praise for its stylish look, performance, and overall presence on the road. In this video, we'll explore the design evolution, the performance enhancements, and the key features that make the 2025 Lexus ES stand out from the crowd. So, let's dive right in and see what makes this luxury sedan a masterpiece of modern engineering. The 2025 Lexus ES is a continuation of the brand's commitment to elegance and innovation. The sedan's exterior design represents a fine balance between athleticism and sophistication, a clear evolution of the previous models. The 2025 ES showcases a more refined and dynamic aesthetic, which is highlighted by the striking lines and angles that run along the body. The design language has shifted from being traditionally conservative to more bold and forward-thinking, ensuring that the ES catches your eye from every angle. The front of the vehicle is defined by the signature Lexus spindle grille, which has been given a more aggressive look for 2025. The grille flows seamlessly into the slim, angular LED headlights, which offer a modern and cutting-edge appearance. These headlights provide a sharp contrast against the grille, enhancing the car's road presence while also delivering exceptional lighting performance at night. The front bumper features aggressive air intakes, which not only add to the sporty aesthetic, but also improve the vehicle's aerodynamics. Speaking of aerodynamics, the 2025 Lexus ES is designed with performance in mind. Its sleek lines and sculpted sides are not just for show, they are carefully engineered to reduce drag, allowing the sedan to glide effortlessly through the air. The side profile of the ES is characterized by a long, flowing roofline, a well-proportioned stance, and a rear deck that tapers gracefully. These design elements help to improve the car's stability at high speeds and contribute to its refined driving dynamics. The 2025 Lexus ES also benefits from an upgraded wheel design, with larger alloys and a variety of finishes to choose from. These wheels not only look stunning but also play a critical role in performance. Their lighter weight and design enhance the car's agility and handling. At the rear, the ES features a bold, wide stance with a sculpted rear bumper and a rear spoiler, adding to its athletic character. The taillights are sleek and elongated, offering a unique lighting signature that makes the ES instantly recognizable even from a distance. One of the standout features of the 2025 Lexus ES is its use of advanced materials in the construction of the body. The car employs high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum in key areas to reduce weight without sacrificing structural integrity. This helps the ES maintain a smooth, responsive drive while also enhancing fuel efficiency. Additionally, the use of sound-deadening materials throughout the body ensures that the cabin remains quiet and serene, even at highway speeds. Lexus has also integrated a new adaptive headlamp system in the 2025 ES. This system uses sensors to adjust the angle of the headlights based on the steering input and speed of the car, ensuring optimal visibility while driving through curves or on winding roads. It's a perfect example of how Lexus blends cutting-edge technology with stunning design to create an experience that is as functional as it is beautiful. The car's exterior also comes with several safety features, such as pedestrian detection sensors and advanced collision avoidance systems, which are integrated into the front bumper and grille. These sensors enhance the car's ability to detect obstacles and prevent potential collisions, making the 2025 Lexus ES not only stylish but also safe. The Lexus ES has a long history dating back to 1989, when it was first introduced as a more affordable alternative to the luxury sedans of the time. Since then, the ES has become one of Lexus' most popular models, thanks to its combination of luxury, reliability, and stylish design. Over the years, Lexus has continually updated the ES to meet the demands of the modern automotive market, and the 2025 version is no exception. The exterior design of the ES has evolved considerably since its inception, transitioning from a conservative, more traditional design to the bold and expressive look we see today. The 2025 ES represents the latest step in this evolution, with its dramatic lines, sophisticated proportions, and high-performance features. It's clear that Lexus is committed to pushing the boundaries of design. And the 2025 ES is a testament to the brand's dedication to creating vehicles that are as visually stunning as they are technologically advanced. In conclusion, the 2025 Lexus ES is a true masterpiece of design and engineering. The exterior of this luxury sedan combines athleticism, elegance, and cutting-edge technology to create a car that looks as good as it drives, with its aggressive spindle grille, sleek lines, and advanced aerodynamic features. The 2025 Lexus ES stands out as one of the most stylish sedans on the market today. Whether you're looking for performance, luxury, or simply a car that turns heads, the 2025 ES has it all. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the exterior of the 2025 Lexus ES. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and automotive content from Automoblies. Until next time, keep driving in style.